Hello everybody, let's continue our daily Bitcoin price analysis. This is Bitcoin daily chart. We can see, let me hide all the drawings. We can see yesterday the Bitcoin price has a little surge a little, but it cannot create a new all-time high. Still a little below the all-time high last time. And so in daily chart, the Bitcoin of course still in a bullish pattern. Then of course still waiting for the another time to break through. For traders, if you already hold Bitcoin long position, keep it. If you haven't done any trade but you want to buy Bitcoin, I suggest to wait a little. Okay. For daily time frame traders. Then we can also draw some line here. This has a triangle here. This color. Then this one. Okay, so we can see in the daily chart now the Bitcoin price is in actually this is a triangle. Then when the price close to the tip of the triangle, it will make a decision, go up or go down. For my opinion, probably I think it will go up to next level of the Bitcoin price. Okay, so let me move too many lines here. Now let's go to 1 hour chart. For 1 hour chart, we can see this is yesterday's surge. The price break out through the red line, these two red lines channel, then break out of the support line of this black line. This black line has very strong resistance effect before. Why? Because there's several high point here. Then we can see after it breaks through, it needs to consolidate. When it consolidate or when it correct, the price go down. It stopped first. It stopped here. Why here? Because of this green line I drew several days ago. This is a W bottom neckline here. Now it has very strong support effect. Okay. Then the second when the neckline support this price after the price bounce back, then the second support line is this 50 MA line. 15 MA line now has also support effect. We can see, I repeat, when the price break out and consolidate this double bottom neckline has support effect, then the price bounce back, then this one 50 M line has another support effect. You can see the price bounce back, break out of this line again, then consolidate again, then it also stop roughly around this 50 MA line. Okay, so this is yesterday's price surge. It make a very high RSI indicator overbought. Actually, this is a highest point of RSI indicate in recent months or recent days, recent months. So probably the Bitcoin price will make a new all-time high, like this one. Then, but the RSI indicator will like this and go down. Then we can make a potential what? We can make a potential indicator divergence, right? this. So it means probably this high point is not the recent high point. In the next few days or next few weeks, the Bitcoin, I'm sure it will create a new high point higher than this one. Then we can make a divergence here. That makes sense. I think so. I think so. Let me remove this. Okay. Okay. So for traders, if you trade in 1 hour time frame, now the price is here, still testing this line's effect to see its resistance or support. So if the price go up, then go down again, then go up again, we can make a long trade. Okay, but if the price, this is first scenario. The second scenario is if the price cannot break out of this support line, then go back, go down, then go up again, then go down again. We can make a short trading here. Okay, if you do the long trading, this black line is your stop loss point. If you make a short trading, uh, this red line or this neckline is your take profit point, and this black line is your stop loss line. I repeat, if you make a long trade when the price go down, but it cannot go up and go down, and if the price go below this black line, you should stop loss. If you make a short trading, if the price go up, go down, cannot go down, go up, then above this support line, this black line, you should stop loss. That's the mindset of this 1 hour time frame trading of Bitcoin. Okay, remove this so many things. Okay, now let's go to Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is quite stronger than Bitcoin. It is already break create a new all-time high. This time, Ethereum create new all-time high faster, sooner than the Bitcoin. Let me remove hiding all joins. Now you can see it's quite strong. The 50 MA is still far away, far from the current price. And if we draw another indicator, moving average, and then we make it because in before I heard if you want to test if the price movement is very bullish, very strong, we can use 3 days. 3 days moving average line. And see the price exactly, the lower wick is stopped at the 3-day moving average. So this means Ethereum price is very bullish these days, these several days. But the 3 MA very practical. I mean practical for trading. I don't think so in daily chart. So no, usually I don't use it. Okay. So for traders, if you trade in daily time frame, if you already hold a long position, keep it. If you haven't make any trading position, trading decision, just wait for clearer signal occurs. So if an instrument is in an uptrend, normally it will always hit 15 line from time to time. We can also draw another line here. Let's make it 10 days. You can see the 10 days MA also has very powerful effect to guide tradings. You can see when the price going up, it almost stop at the 10 MA, right? It almost stop at 10 MA. So probably the next couple of days, the next couple of days, the price will hit this 10 MA again, then hit 50 MA again, then go up again. Okay. And now let's go to 1 hour chart. We can also see here, this is the last time RSI indicator is very high point. Then just like what I said just now, the very high point RSI, accordingly, the price cannot be high point, right? Because it need to make divergence. We can see the divergence here, very obvious, right? Very obvious divergence. Then the price go down. But at this point, the price already went up a lot compared to this point. So I repeat, if very high point RSI indicator occurs, probably, or you can see 100%, this high point of the price is not the high point because it needs divergence in any trading. It needs divergence. Okay. Now let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, this is yesterday's search. I said in the last video, the price of Ethereum probably will bounce back because the 50 MA line and the 200 MA line make a cross here. And this cross, in technical analysis, we call it golden cross. Golden cross is very powerful. You can see the price spike surge a lot. You can say this is coincidence, but really the golden cross very powerful. Okay, now then after the search, then consolidate to where the first point is this red line channels resistance line. Now it already tested this line. This line become a support line. This is the first time support. The second time support is this W bottom neckline. We can see the low wick also stop here. Okay, then we can confirm this red line and this green line become support line. Both of them become support line. Then currently the price gradually, slowly going up. To where? I don't know. As I said, I don't do prediction. I just do analysis. Okay, so for traders, if you want to trade, I suggest because currently the price is still a little away from the 10 MA line in 1 hour chart, then and in 50 MA chart. Then if the price go up, then go down, hit this 50 MA chart here and go back again. In this position, we can do long trading. I mean, make a long position. Because I said before, maybe several weeks ago, because of the Ethereum price break out of this long big wedge, so the next target should be 2,500. Now still quite far away. So I have the bias of the Ethereum price going up in the not very long time, maybe 1 month or 2 months. Okay, so if I zoom into the 1 hour time frame, if the price hits the 50 MA line, Use make a long trading will make you have more win rate. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys in future videos. Bye bye.